cleaning away decades of grime, revealing the true beauty underneath. Look at that logo.
Listen to the gentle hiss as the dust is slowly lifted away in the warm sunlight.
And now for the satisfying blanket of foam, ensuring every inch of this classic is covered.
We use the soft brush to work the foam in gentle circles, lifting the dirt slowly.
Getting right into those cooling fins now. You can see the aluminum starting to shine through the grime. Just taking our time with this section. Getting deep into these spokes now. Look at that foam cutting through decades of grime on this GSX-R. So satisfying. This old GSX-R rim really needed some attention. Look at the shine coming through the dirt now. We're using a fine brush here on the switchgear. It's very delicate work.
Documenting the 85 GSX-R750, we have extensive cracking on the upper fairing and significant pitting and rust on the engine casing bolts.
The GSX-R750 awaits. We have the right tools to bring this legend back to life.
With the last bolt out, we can finally reveal that beautiful, albeit dusty, aluminum frame underneath. A true icon of 80s engineering.
After loosening the clamps, the airbox slides right out. Now we get our first look at the carburetors, covered in years of dust and residue.
All right, the axle is clear. Now we gently lift the wheel straight out, careful not to damage the spacers.
We're finally getting to the bare metal on this classic 85 GSX-R. Just need to keep the RPMs steady.
Now we're draining the old fork oil, making sure to get every last drop out before the rebuild.
We're using 1500 grit paper with plenty of water. Keep those motions slow and circular.
Engine ready.
Just a little more pressure until it clicks. That ensures a perfect seal on the GSX-R valve cover. Slow and steady now. We are right on the factory mark.
Now we carefully slide the gauge in, checking the resistance against the specified tolerance.
All right, once the swing arm is aligned, we carefully slide the greased pivot shaft through. You want to feel that smooth, satisfying resistance.
We apply the fresh grease generously to ensure smooth operation, then carefully guide the steering stem into the head tube.
We use 2000 grit sandpaper for the final pass, ensuring a perfectly smooth surface before moving to polish. The key to a flawless finish is a perfect cure. Here, the GSX-R750 panels dry evenly under controlled light. We're laying down multiple layers of the clear coat now, aiming for that perfect mirror finish.
With the carb seated, we can now install the rebuilt airbox. Then it's just a matter of neatly routing these new fuel lines.
Using the torque wrench ensures everything is secured just right. Listen to that click.
We take our time fitting these original fairings. The alignment has to be flawless before we tighten the bolts.
We're setting this to 45 Newton meters. Always ensure a smooth pull until you hear that crisp click.
Just getting into the tight spots now, almost perfect.